Hi guys, welcome to Teachers In. So today we'll discuss about recruitment of ad hoc faculty in NIT Calicut. So you can see here, I have mentioned here that qualification PG with PhD is 50,000 salary and PG without PhD is 40,000 salary. And they are looking for faculties for various departments, and you can see here more than 69 positions are there. So let's go to their official website and we'll see the details. So this is the NIT Calicut official website. So we have to go a little bit down. Here you can see that advertisement option is there, so we have to click here. I'll zoom it. So here you can see in that advertisement option, you can see that job opportunity in NITC. So we have to click here. Now here you can see three jobs are there. The second one, notification for ad hoc faculty recruitment. So we have to click here. Here you can see a notification for ad hoc faculty recruitment monsoon 2021 and information voucher for ad hoc faculty recruitment monsoon 2021. Apart from that, you can see here that applications form in PDF file as well as document file. So we'll click that brochure. So this is the notification. You can see here. Okay. Now we'll see this brochure. We'll also open this application form also. We'll see one by one. So this is the brochure you can see here. I'll zoom it. Now you can see that ad hoc faculty recruitment monsoon semester 2021. Applications are invited for the post of ad hoc faculty in the department school of, you can see lot of department: architecture and planning, civil engineering, chemical engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, mathematics, physics, biotechnology, management studies, and material science and engineering. So lot of departments are there and they are looking for ad hoc faculty. Here you can see that remuneration 50,000 per month for PhD students and 40,000 per month for MTech and MArch and MPlan students. Those who have not done their PhD, they are also eligible to apply here, but they will get little bit less salary here. The date for submission of online application is 1st of July 2021. So this is the very important thing you have to remember. The last date for online application is 1st of July 2021. And how you will apply? Here they have mentioned through email to the concerned head of the department. Okay, so you have to send your application form to email, and this is the application format. You have to download this one and you have to fill up this one. Then you have to take a snapshot, the scan. Then you have to send this application form to particular department. Now we'll see the details about the institute. Then vision, mission, you can go through that. Then location also you can go through that. Infrastructure, then general information. General information, I told you this is the very important thing. The last submission date. Then specific format is there, so we have to download that application form and we have to send. Then here you can see the shortlisted candidate for the interview will be intimated through the email and mobile only. Okay, those who will be shortlisted for this position, so they will get a information notification from the institute. Then selected candidates will be informed by email and mobile, and they are expected to join immediately. Okay, this is the important thing you can see. And at the time of applying for this position, you can see that lot of documents they're asking. Now here you can see the department wise vacancies and particular department email ID and what are the qualification they are looking for, like architecture and planning. The particular department email ID is this one, and total 12 numbers of vacancies are there. Okay, so PhD or MArch or MTech or Master of Town Planning after a full-time BArch degree with first class, both at UG and PG level, 60% marks should be there. Okay, then PhD, MTech, MPlan after full-time BTech or civil engineering degree with first class, both UG and PG level. So these are the minimum qualification you can see for all the departments. Like this, you can see that civil engineering, total 4 positions are there. Chemical engineering, total 1 positions are there. Then again, computer science engineering, 11 positions are there. Then electrical engineering, 9 positions are there. Electronics and communication engineering, 1 positions are there. Mechanical engineering, mathematics, then Physics, School of Biotechnology, then School of Management Studies, then School of Material Science and Engineering. You can see all these departments. So including all this position, it will be 69 positions. Okay. So details of remuneration I have already explained. Those who have done PhD, they will be getting like 50,000 salary, and those who have not done PhD, they will be getting 40,000 of salary. Okay. Then interview schedule, you can see for this particular department, they will be conducting the interview on 15th July 2021 from 8 a.m. onwards. Okay. For this department, they will conduct the interview on 16th July and from 8 a.m. onwards. Okay. Then how to apply? I have already explained you. You have to download this application form. Then you have to fill up that. With that, you have to attach your UG, PG and PhD degree. If you have any experience also, you can attach that. Then you have to send this mail to specific department on or before 1st of July 2021. This is the only one way. Okay. Then disclaimer, all these things you can see here, and this is the university address. So these are all these things. So those who are interested for this position, they can apply here as soon as possible, because time is, I think, very less. So only 4-5 days are left. So those who are interested, please apply as soon as possible. Okay. And I will do one thing, I will also give these links in my description. You people can access from there directly. You can also download from there. And another thing, those who have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. We'll give you this kind of information as soon as possible. So thank you, all the best. So before leaving, I want to say our Teachers in channel is fully dedicated to teachers. Those who are looking for teachers related any studies, teachers related any competitive exam, teachers related any jobs, so they can subscribe our channel. In future, if there will be any update, so you can get it from here. Apart from this, you can also follow our social media sites like Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn, so that any notification will come immediately, you will get that notification. So thank you, all the best.